Today we're going to make baked acorn squash with tropical chicken salad inside. It's going to be a beautiful thing. Stay with us. And from the top, it's quite hard, so go easy. Work the knife around. Turn your squash, slice down and through. There you have a beautiful acorn squash. We're going to take out our seeds. Out the seeds and toss away, or you could dehydrate them and season them and snack on them. Here we have our cut acorn squash.
Okay, the next step is we're going to sprinkle these with some olive oil, and we're going to rub it all in. Just rub it around. And then we're going to turn them over, and we're going to do the skins also. Just going to put a little bit over the top. There comes out. And we're just going to massage that in. Okay, and we're going to put these in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how big they are. When you squeeze them and they're soft, then they're pretty much ready, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so now we have all our chicken in here. I'm just going to pulse and grind this down for a few seconds. That should be good. Yeah. Okay, and this is it all chopped up. I'm just going to put it into our bowl. And it's all nice and shredded, and we're going to just add all our things into it, and I'll show you after it's all mixed up. We just put it according to taste. We never pre-measure. Also, we're going to add some salt and pepper, just according to taste. If you like it a little saltier, just add more. And you could add any kind of seasonings you want. You don't have to use what we used. Some pepper. Okay, and this is our little chicken salad for tonight. Okay, these were in the oven for about 45 minutes, and they're done. You see, they're nice and soft, so they're ready. So what we're going to do is we're just going to score it a little bit so that when we put the brown sugar on, everything soaks in. And what we do is we just put a little bit in the middle. Around the edges. Okay, now these will go back into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and we're going to just make sure that the sugar melts in, and then we'll take them out and we'll brush the sugar around, and it'll be done. And once it cools down, you stuff them with the chicken salad and got a delicious quick dinner. Okay, this is all done now. We're just gonna, or the sugar, we're just gonna give it a little brush around and spread this out. And then we're gonna let this cool down, and we're gonna put our chicken salad in the center, and we're gonna have a delicious, easy dinner. These are delicious. They're like butter, very sweet.
And healthy.
And healthy. And there you go, a quick, easy. Okay, and here's our acorn squash all finished and all cooled down. And now we're going to fill it with our delicious chicken salad. So what I usually do is I take an ice cream scooper and I just fill the centers. I think we're good. Time to eat.
Delicious.